because they took away my yo-yo and stuffed their socks in my mouth.
Okay, what if we make Rocket Man your ringtone, and the next time you talk to those guys, I'll call you and they'll hear it. Plant the seed.
That's actually not a terrible plan.
They don't call me Brown Dynamite for nothing.
Did you ever make it to the dentist?
Not necessary. No, I found a service that'll send a van to your house for a teeth cleaning. Mostly they cater to dogs, but the fellow on the phone seemed to have an open mind.
All right, Sheldon, if you need me to take you to the dentist, I will take you to the dentist.
Are you suggesting that you've come to your senses and wish to reestablish the mutual benefits that stem from full participation in the roommate agreement?
Absolutely. If you admit that you're a 30-year-old man who's incapable of functioning on his